As you know, Saurer is leading when it comes to recycling. We are focusing on enabling the customers to spin even the shortest fibers. The Autocoro that we are showing here with a dual Sliver intake is also basically the star in recycling today. We are also showing a lot of products here that are done either on Autocoro or our BD, which is our semi-automatic rotor spinning machine, or even we have recycled products that have been done on ring. We have a high focus on this because, as you know, the EU is going to change the regulations and the customers will be forced to think about what the yarn composition is already when they start spinning. Turkey is actually a pioneer in the recycling industry. We have so many customers here recycling on Autocoro with mechanically recycled fibers. We also have customers that are innovating in recycling fibers as well. And I think Turkey has a big advantage and also is a few steps ahead of the rest of the world when it comes to recycling. It is a very important part also for us, and it's also a very important market for us. You know, automation is becoming the new normal. It used to be an automation for high-cost countries, but today, even in the lower-cost countries, it's difficult to find people who are actually willing to work in a spinning mill. If you look at one of the basic automation systems that we have is the so-called BTS, which is transporting rowing from rowing frame to ring frame. We've been doing that for 40 years. So we started with automation very early. The base of the automation is always the automation inside the machine. And now today we are also working on automating the whole mill. We have AGVs that we showed in Singapore just a few months ago that will transport the cans from draw frames to rowing frames or to rotor spinning frames, enabling the customer to utilize the manpower he has for more important and more productive tasks. Then we also have automated sliver feeding on the Autocoro machines as an option. And we are working on different kind of solutions because today manpower is becoming critical for spinning mills all over the world. It's difficult to say how long it will take until we have dark mills. Some of the customers are already doing it in a limited version. We have small features like in the ring spinning machine. You can set a certain limit for yarn breaks, and the ring spinning machine, when it reaches this limit, will lower its speed automatically to ensure that you have higher productivity instead of, having yarn breaks, and that will not produce. So this is one of the things that you will need when it comes to a dark mill. It will always be a discussion between how much does the automation cost, how much is the customer willing to pay, how much can he afford to pay for automation, and what degree of automation would you like to have. So I believe we need to find a solution that is for ring spinning mills also payable, I think we will see a lot of innovation toward automation and also a few steps closer to dark mills next year in Hanover.